I got mail. So hello ladies, I am back and I am going to be doing an unboxing. So I want to first thank Ethnic Gals for sending me this lovely box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So let's open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Very nice. There's a bonnet. There's a bonnet. Oh, it's so cute. It's satin lined on the inside. Yes. It's nice and big. Oh, it's over. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. If I know how to put on a bonnet, that'll be nice. Clearly I don't. Clearly that's not something I know how to do. So cute. This is adorable. So that's just the first thing that caught my attention in the box. All right, so let's see what else. I wonder if there is like a card in there or something that I can read, or doesn't look like it. Well, okay, so Ethnic Gals is a hair company that caters to your hair porosity. So I'm low porosity. So this is a low porosity box. So we have a bonnet in there. Oh my god. A hair mask. A hair mask for low porosity hair. Intense conditioning treatment. Deep growth. Ooh, maybe I'll use this today. Treatment manufactured specifically for your hair porosity. Period. Like, period. Oh, I really might use this today. Ingredients. Aqua. Hydroxy. I don't know what that says. Cetyl, I don't know how to say these words. But the first ingredient is water. So that's a hair mask, which I think I'm really gonna use today. I need to deep condition. Bird, sis. What else is in here? I have always wanted one of these, but I was never gonna buy one. Here we are. These shits are litty. I can't wait to try it. I actually get really nervous using, I've been like trying to stay away from using any brush, comb, whatever on my hair, but I have to try this. I have to try it. This I will also be using today. What do you think it is? I'm so excited about this. It's a heated bonnet. Yes. It's the fuck lit in this bitch. It's lit, it's lit. It's a heated bonnet. So you have, what does it say? High, low, and off. So you got settings, high, low, and off. It's plastic on the inside. A nice thick plastic. Jesus. It zips. It unzips. Okay, so you can take the plastic off to wash it, I guess. Well, I don't know why it unzips. I'm guessing, yeah. So you can take this whole plastic part off and do what you gotta do with it. But yeah, and the cord seems to be long enough. Pretty long. Let's see if I can get it done. I'm cooking. Oh. All right, so that's all that was in the box. Again, I just want to say thank you to Ethnic Gals. I cannot wait to use this. That will be my next video for you guys, me using the mask and the heat bonnet. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'll catch you guys later.